It's her birthday. Happy birthday, baby.
You got the camera in my face.
Where we at? Where we at?
Atlantic City.
Make sure I don't walk into no pole though, because I'm looking at you and stuff.
Yeah, we in Atlantic City. You know, seeing what to do, waiting for our room to open at Caesar's Palace.
Why you didn't make the face? Make the face.
The sun's in my eye, first of all. Simple, it's too early. Too early.
We at Caesar's Palace. Well, we're not at Caesar's Palace right now. We're walking to find a bank and walking around to look around. And so far, it's pretty a little bit cool out here, but sunny at the same time. But yeah, so yeah, we walking trying to find a bank, walking around sightseeing, because we never got a chance to walk around out here, right, baby?
Right.
So we're right now just walking sightseeing. We're tourists now, so basically we don't know where we're going, but we're gonna find our way. Dang, that car just
They gonna know about Atlantic City, boy. You ain't had no low rider in Atlantic City. Young shit gonna be straight up.
ain't that the truth?
Yeah, he messed up his car. You better learn all the good routes.
Yeah, what's up with all these low riders? They about to scratch too. They about to scratch too.
You gotta go real slow.
Yeah, real slow.
He's smart. See, he moved over.
Yeah. The other ones was just scratching up their
He's
stuff.
dumb, the other one.
It's a pizza. Chelsea Pizza. Got a playground over there. What the hell? Okay.
Indian.
High five. Food for less. That's what it says.
Less than what?
Guess less than your money. I think we got the light.
Yeah. Oh, 7 stars is the top one. Top 7.
Oh.
But this is for valet parking. We park our own car.
Yep, we do. We park our own car. We don't need nobody driving our own car. It's a wonderful day today. Walking down. Taxi's waiting for somebody to hop in. On the side.
He said, I'm not putting no miles on my car. That's right.
Walking to the
Smells like
beach.
hot dogs. Rainforest Cafe.
Oh, you can come out of Caesar's Palace. Morton Steakhouse. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, look at the Ferris wheel.
I see it. I'm just looking around.
Wow. It actually does look like on TV.
socks is good too. And I needed long socks because those boots be cutting my ankles.
You want to try it?
It's like lobster in a bun, right?
Think so.
I don't even like lobster though.
I do.
You want? If you order it, I would take it. I'll take it. If you want it though.
Nah, I don't want it. Probably have it tomorrow or
I
so.
eat it by myself.
Alright, come on. Let's go get a lobster roll.
Are you gonna eat it, or you gonna make me eat it, or you gonna take one bite?
I'm gonna take half, alright?
Huh?
I'm gonna take half, okay? We're in front of the shack, guys. We are going to be trying a lobster roll for the first time. Well, her first time too. She's busy putting away her money, you know. She gave me the change, guys, but she didn't give me the paper, guys.
Oh, they sell beer and cocktails.
Okay, guys, so we are sitting down at a bench right here. Bench is a little bit dirty though, but basically we got our food from that shack over here. So we got the lobster roll. We're gonna put some hand sanitizer on the hands. You know, gotta need my other hand. Yeah, my assistant. I'm joking. My wife gave me some hand sanitizer.
Let me kill that. That is a miss. Remember his wife as an assistant.
Oh my god. Alright, so we're gonna open this bag right here. Let the birthday girl open it first. See her open it.
They gave, what's this? This coleslaw, this little bit, $25. That's how they do.
It's on a pear.
So,
alright, so
this little roll.
Little ass roll with some lobster, some butter,
all this
and some french fries. Like, really. And you got some damn seagulls flying around, waiting. And since people eating.
I thought he was gonna put mayonnaise on some shit on it. It's lobster. It's no.
It looks sloppy though. Let's taste it.
You wanna go for it first?
We got about $2 right here.
I'm sorry, man. I don't have it.
Alright, so you for $2. What's the drink?
French fry just tastes like a regular dry french fry. Alright.
It was crazy how nobody was sitting here, and now people want to be sitting around.
He was here, but he wasn't. So she's trying out the lobster first. What do you think about it?
It's just lobster on bread. Probably some old base.
Let me try it myself real quick.
It's dry. I thought it was gonna be like mayonnaise or something.
Very sloppy though.
Sloppy isn't bad, but there's literally no sauce on it. I don't know if you can see. No sauce.
Pretty tough.
Ew, it's spittle.
Sorry. It's pretty tough. Yeah, folks.
They overcooked it.
Yeah, they did. I don't mean to be a pain, but you shouldn't be having to chew a lobster. It's overcooked. Look at this. Overcooked.
$27. The bread is good though.
$27 for a piece of crap like this. If you guys are ever out here, don't try out the shack lobster roll, because this shit tastes like shit. But I'm still gonna eat it because it was paid for. But they overcooked it. Look at that. How you overcook a lobster?
That's pretty easy to do, actually.
This was the worst lobster I ever had, guys. Worst lobster. So if you ever out in Atlantic City on the Broadwalk by Caesar's Palace and you happen to see the shack, don't try the lobster roll. Do not.
They gave some butter, but...
They gave butter, but what's the butter good if the lobster is not good? What's good the butter's going to do if the lobster is not good? Like, you shouldn't be chewing.
Let's see. We actually used the butter.
Let me see.
The coleslaw's actually okay. But they give you this little cup.
Look at that. It's mad tough.
Are you supposed to put the coleslaw on the sandwich?
I don't even taste like butter. It's nasty. I'm gonna eat the french fries though. That's the only good thing that's there.
Yeah, french fries are okay. Well, I'll feed them, but closer to the beach area.
Nah,
not
you
over
creeping
here.
though. Look, I got you on candy camera, that's right. You creeping it. Yeah, walk away. That's right.
He ain't walking away.
Walk away. Bye. 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 Bye, Felicia. That's right. Keep walking. Don't turn back.